जय श्री राधे। डिक्टेशन एक्सरसाइज 5, डिक्टेशन 80 words a minute. Ready. We can then use our eyes when we want to learn using our powers of seeing and of observation. Full stop. We must also, however, use our powers of hearing. To most of us, this is a difficult way of learning, and we have often to work quite hard to master the art of learning through hearing. Full stop. An exception is, of course, the subject of language, for clearly there is no better way to learn a language than to hear other people speaking it. Full stop. Mere book knowledge of a language is a poor thing, for a language does not really live until it is used. Full stop. When, however, we are dealing with ideas, learning through hearing becomes more difficult. Full stop. We have to learn first to pay attention. Full stop. How often does a teacher say, "Pay attention, please"? Full stop. And how necessary are the words? Full stop. If no notes are being taken, the words once said have gone forever. Full stop. If they live at all, it must be in the memories of those who have heard the words. Full stop. When we first go to school, we think we are learning to write and to read and to the little sums, but in fact we are also learning something of even more importance. We are learning to pay attention, to hear what the teacher says and to hold it in our memories. Full stop. The person who is able to pay attention is a much better learner than the person whose mind is always going off into other fields of thought. Even though the two people may have equally good minds in other respects. Full stop. Many people who attend public meetings find that their attention is not always given to the person speaking, and it is indeed a good man or woman who can hold our complete attention for half an hour or more. Full stop. Para. It is probably true that most people learn most things most easily through reading. Full stop. They can read the material they wish to learn and can read it again many times if they so desire. Full stop. They can memorize the written word with a responsible degree of ease and can usually master a far larger amount of material in this way in a given time than would be possible by any other method. Full stop. Para. Seeing, reading and hearing all play their part in our complete development as we grow into men and women. Full stop.